So have you ever heard about divide the task and multiply the success? Don't get confused. I am here to talk about departmentation. So it's very pleasure to see you all here today. I am Amisha, a BBA AP first semester student, and here I am going to present a presentation about departmentation, which was given by our respected ma'am Nisharna. So let's start. First, I would like to give a definition of departmentation, which is the dividing the organization into small units or departments on the basis of function to accomplish or to get or achieve any organizational goals. So now let's move towards the objective of departmentation. So the first one, to manage the undertaking. For this, to understand this, let's take a real life example. Let's take example of this class. Like our BBA courses has been divided into two batches, so that anyone can handle such a large amount of students in very easier way. And the second point, to assign the work only to those who are the best suited for it. As we all know that everyone is not able to do everything. Like everyone has its own present of mind, has one specialty into another thing. So if we do what we like, we shine, we truly shine in that task or in that work. So the last point is to facilitate the carrying out of the activities efficiently for the achieving the best task. Like our only goals to achieve the best or to achieve the जो पॉइंट ऑफ कर रखे हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गोल को अचीव करना. सो द लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डिपार्टमेंटेशन. So the first important, to increase the operating efficiency of the employee. It means that when we work about these things, जब हम ऐसा कोई काम करते हैं इसमें हमें इंटरेस्ट हो, लाइक हम अपने इंटरेस्ट का काम करते हैं तो हम उसमें अपना बेस्ट देते हैं. और the second point, makes the executive to be alert and efficient in his duties. So when we divide the departmentation into small units, so the departmental heads should only focus on that departmental goals, neither than full organizational goals or anything else. So the third point is to increase the prestige and skills of departmental heads. So by dividing the organization into departments, we keep the recognition or accomplish the recognition or heads of the departmental heads. Means हम लोग उसे एक अलग नया नाम देते हैं, importance देते हैं as departmental heads. And the fourth was of making the departmental heads efficient. तो अगर हम ऐसे डिवाइड करते हैं तो जो डिपार्टमेंटल हेड्स होते हैं उसका काम और भी अच्छी तरह से इम्प्रूव होता है और भी वो बस अपने डिपार्टमेंटल गोल्स पे फोकस कर पाते हैं. पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गोल्स एक तरह का, लेकिन डिपार्टमेंटल गोल्स पे ज़्यादा वो फोकस कर पाते हैं. सो द लास्ट पॉइंट, टू इजी द फर्दर एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो विदाउट एनी डिस्टर्बेंस ऑन द होल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन we are able to divide any department or to add or exit any department. क्योंकि सब डिवाइड होता है तो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में किसी नए डिपार्टमेंट को ऐड करने या फिर किसी डिपार्टमेंट को क्लोज करने में. सो दैट्स ऑल. थैंक यू फॉर